Hello, future medical professionals. Welcome to an exciting journey into the world of human biology. Today, we are diving deep into excretory products and their elimination, specifically focusing on the disorders that can affect this vital system. From common kidney stones to complex renal failures, we'll explore the causes, symptoms, and treatments. Get ready to challenge yourselves with content designed for easy, medium, hard, and hardest levels, preparing you thoroughly for NET and beyond. Ready to understand some common issues with our body's waste disposal system? Let's start with the basics of kidney disorders. Our kidneys are amazing filters, but sometimes they face challenges. Kidney stones, or renal calculi, are hard mineral deposits that can cause excruciating pain. They form due to factors like dehydration or diet. Then there's glomerulonephritis, an inflammation of the glomeruli, the tiny filters within your kidneys. This can be triggered by infections and often results in symptoms like swelling and blood in the urine. Understanding these common ailments is the first step towards recognizing kidney health problems. When kidneys struggle to keep up, we face renal failure. Acute renal failure strikes suddenly, often due to dehydration or injury, and can sometimes be reversed. Chronic renal failure, however, is a gradual and progressive loss of kidney function, commonly caused by long-term conditions like diabetes and high blood pressure, leading to irreversible damage. Symptoms like fatigue and swelling indicate serious trouble. Treatments range from dialysis, which filters the blood artificially, to life-saving kidney transplants. Time to test your understanding of basic kidney disorders. Pause the video, answer these 3 questions, and see how well you've grasped the concepts of kidney stones, glomerulonephritis, and renal failure. Good luck! Now, let's elevate our understanding and explore some more complex and systemic kidney disorders. Are you ready for the medium challenge? Uremia is a critical condition where waste products, particularly urea, dangerously accumulate in the blood because the kidneys are failing. This leads to severe symptoms like fatigue, nausea, and even mental confusion, demanding urgent treatment like dialysis. Another significant issue is pyelonephritis, a kidney infection usually caused by bacteria traveling up from the bladder. These conditions highlight the importance of early diagnosis and intervention in maintaining kidney health. Beyond infections, genetic factors can also severely impact kidneys. Polycystic kidney disease, or PKD, is a genetic disorder where fluid-filled cysts gradually replace healthy kidney tissue, enlarging the kidneys and eventually leading to failure. It manifests differently in adults and infants. Understanding its genetic basis and progression is crucial. These conditions underscore the diverse origins of kidney disorders, from infections to inherited traits, each requiring a tailored approach to management and care. Diabetic nephropathy represents a major long-term complication of uncontrolled diabetes. High blood sugar levels progressively damage the delicate blood vessels within the kidney's filtering units, the glomeruli. This damage often starts silently, with early signs like microalbuminuria, and can advance to end-stage renal disease. Strict management of blood sugar and blood pressure is vital for prevention and slowing its progression. This condition exemplifies how systemic diseases can profoundly impact kidney function. All right, you've absorbed quite a bit of information on uremia, PKD, and diabetic nephropathy. Here are 5 practice questions to solidify your knowledge at the medium level. Take your time, think critically, and choose the best answers. How many can you get right? Excellent work so far. Now, let's put on our critical thinking caps and delve into the intricate mechanisms and advanced clinical aspects of kidney disorders. This is where the real analysis begins. Distinguishing between acute and chronic renal failure is fundamental. Acute renal failure, or AKI, is a sudden, potentially reversible decline in kidney function, often triggered by acute events like severe dehydration or drug toxicity. Chronic renal failure, or CKD, on the other hand, is a gradual, irreversible loss over months or years, typically driven by long-standing conditions like diabetes and hypertension. Understanding their distinct onsets, causes, and prognosis is crucial for accurate diagnosis and effective management, influencing everything from immediate interventions to long-term treatment strategies. Delving into glomerular damage, immune complex deposition is a key mechanism where antibody-antigen complexes lodge in the glomeruli, triggering inflammation. In contrast, anti-GBM disease involves direct antibody attack on the glomerular basement membrane. The renin-angiotensin-aldosterone system, or RAS, is vital for blood pressure control. However, its chronic activation in kidney disease contributes to hypertension and fibrosis, accelerating kidney damage. Targeting RAS with ACE inhibitors is a cornerstone of CKD treatment, highlighting the interconnectedness of systemic regulation and renal health. When kidneys fail, dialysis becomes a lifeline. Hemodialysis uses an external artificial kidney to filter blood, typically 3 times a week. Peritoneal dialysis, conversely, uses the patient's own abdominal lining, the peritoneum, as a natural filter, often performed at home. Both methods remove waste and excess fluid, but differ significantly in their approach, frequency, and lifestyle implications. Understanding these modalities is key for patients and medical professionals in managing end-stage renal disease and improving quality of life. You've tackled some complex concepts. Now it's time to consolidate your understanding with 7 challenging questions. These require not just recall, but also critical thinking and comparative analysis. Take your time, review the slides if needed, and give your best shot. You've come a long way. Prepare to dive into the most advanced and competitive aspects of excretory disorders, exploring molecular mechanisms, cutting-edge therapies, and their profound systemic impact. This is the hardest level. Let's push your limits. The formation of kidney stones, or renal calculi, isn't just about diet, it's a complex molecular dance. It begins with supersaturation of urine, where concentrations of salts like calcium oxalate exceed their solubility. This leads to nucleation, the formation of initial crystals, followed by their growth and aggregation. Crucially, urinary inhibitors like citrate normally prevent this, and their deficiency can predispose to stone formation. Urinary pH also dictates stone type. Moreover, specific glomerulonephritis types like IgA nephropathy and membranous nephropathy have distinct immunopathological mechanisms involving abnormal IgA1 glycosylation or PLA2R antibodies, respectively, demanding precise diagnostic and therapeutic approaches. Kidney transplantation offers a new lease on life, but it's a profound immunological challenge. The recipient's immune system recognizes donor HLA antigens as foreign, triggering T-cell and antibody-mediated rejection. HLA matching is paramount to minimize this risk. Immunosuppressive drugs are lifelong necessities to suppress the immune response, preventing hyperacute, acute, and chronic rejection, each with distinct timings and mechanisms. Balancing immune suppression with preventing infections and malignancies is a delicate art, highlighting the complex interplay between transplantation biology and patient management. Beyond traditional dialysis, continuous renal replacement therapy, or CRRT, provides gentle, continuous fluid and solute removal for critically ill patients, offering greater hemodynamic stability. The future holds promise with bioartificial kidneys, integrating synthetic filters with living renal cells to replicate the kidney's complex metabolic functions, not just filtration. Stem cell and gene therapies are also emerging, aiming to repair damaged kidney tissue or correct genetic defects, potentially revolutionizing treatment for conditions like PKD. These innovations represent the forefront of nephrology, pushing boundaries for better patient outcomes. Chronic kidney disease isn't just a kidney problem, it's a systemic challenge. Cardiovascular disease is its leading cause of death, driven by hypertension, inflammation, and bone mineral disorders. Anemia is common due to reduced erythropoietin production, requiring targeted therapies. CKD mineral and bone disorder arises from dysfunctional vitamin D and phosphate regulation, impacting bone health and vascular calcification. The psychosocial burden is immense, emphasizing the need for holistic care. Understanding these interconnected impacts and progression management strategies is vital for comprehensive patient care and improving long-term quality of life. You've explored the deepest corners of kidney disorders. Now, let's assess your mastery with the first 5 questions from our hardest level. These questions demand detailed knowledge, analytical skills, and an understanding of advanced concepts. Take your time, think critically, and apply everything you've learned. How many of these can you confidently answer? Continuing our ultimate challenge, here are the final 5 questions for the hardest level. These questions will push your understanding of emerging therapies, systemic impacts, and intricate molecular mechanisms. Strive for precision and comprehensive answers. This is your chance to demonstrate a truly competitive grasp of the subject. Good luck! Congratulations on completing this comprehensive journey through disorders of the excretory system. We've covered everything from basic definitions to advanced immunological and therapeutic insights. To further deepen your understanding and access more such high-quality educational content, visit synapse.omaps.in. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more engaging lessons. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep aiming high for your NEET goals.